In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily replace the standard 1-to-1 or 1-to-4 Roman Blind Mechanism with Elite Breakaway 1-to-4 mechanism. So firstly, I'm going to undo the screws that hold the mechanism in the headrail. Next, using Allen key, I'm going to loosen the screw that holds the tilt rod to detach it from the mechanism. In order to slide out the rod with the core drums on it from the headrail, I'm going to loosen up the core drum screws. We'll need it out to trim it down later on. Both mechanisms differ in size. Breakaway Elite mechanism is longer than the standard mechanism by 40 mm. So using the tape measure, I'm going to mark that 40 mm, take it out the headrail and then cut it down. We're using a circular saw at our workshop, but if you haven't gotten access to such device, it can also be cut with a guillotine or a hacksaw. So once the rod is trimmed, I'm going to put the Elite Breakaway mechanism onto it and fasten the screw to make sure both the mechanism and the rod hold firmly together. Next, making sure the cores on the core drums aren't twisted, I'm going to slide the rod with the mechanism attached to it inside the headrail. Once the rod with the mechanism are inside, I'm going to secure them by fastening the white screw on the mechanism and the core drums. So that's it, your Roman headrail with Elite 1-to-4 Breakaway mechanism is ready to be put the fabric on and fitted. Thanks for watching.